Need to create a safety training video, but don't know where to start? You're not alone. From choosing the right scene to framing real-life hazards, most people waste hours guessing. That's why there's InduVid AI. Just tell it your industry and training focus, and it generates ready-to-use AI prompts for static visuals or full-motion animation. Let's build a construction site welding hazard scene, step by step, with AI. When you open InduVid AI, you'll find 4 powerful conversation starters designed to help you craft stunning industrial training visuals using generative AI platforms like MidJourney, Runway, or Sora. Start with, I need to create an industrial training visual, but I'm not sure where to start. InduVid AI will walk you through industry selection, training scenario setup, and all key details needed to generate a high-quality AI prompt, fast. Need visuals for a safety training module? Just ask, can you help me create an AI-generated image for a safety training video? InduVid AI tailors prompts to your industry's safety requirements, visual style, and platform. Want to showcase how a specific machine operates? Say, I want to generate a scene for an equipment operation guide. InduVid AI will ask about the machine type, operating environment, safety gear, and camera perspective to make your visual clear and useful. Need variety? Use, I need multiple prompt variations for an industrial animation. InduVid AI gives you several prompt styles with angle, lighting, and context changes to fit your training goals or platform specs. Let's bring this to life with a real-world use case inside InduVid AI. You've chosen to create a safety training animation focused on hazard awareness during welding of onshore pipeline components, a critical subject in construction site training. Here's how InduVid AI guides you through the process. First, you define the industry as construction and the scenario as pipeline welding. Then, InduVid AI helps you build a structured prompt for image generation, including welders in flame-resistant PPE, active arc welding with sparks and shielding, surroundings with cranes, excavators, pipeline segments, hazard indicators like gas cylinders, fire blankets, grounding cables, onshore job site with visible safety signage and realistic background details. Once your prompt is ready, you can copy and paste it directly into MidJourney to generate detailed photorealistic frames. From there, import those MidJourney images into Kling, where you can convert them into a text-to-video sequence with realistic movement, perfect for walking trainees through step-by-step hazard awareness in a cinematic animated format. Whether you're creating visuals for a toolbox talk or building a full e-learning module, InduVid AI ensures every frame is purposeful, accurate, and training-ready. Once the scenario is complete, InduVid AI generates a downloadable prompt summary. You can copy and paste it directly into your favorite AI image or video generator, no editing needed. Ready to build better training content with less guesswork, boost safety, clarity, and learning impact with every visual you create. Try InduVid AI today, available now in the EXOPS AI GPT store.